Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Whether
sir.
the screen is
Yes,
visible
sir.
to all with full screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. Welcome all of you to the engineering mechanics class. What we have studied in the last class?
Load.
Yes. What are the supports and the different types of loads? What are the different types of supports?
Simple roller,
Simple
and
support,
Simple support,
roller
roller
support,
support,
hinged
pinned support,
or
and
pinned support,
fixed.
and fixed or built-in support. Okay, one by one you have to tell me. Roll number 10, Aniket. Please unmute and tell me how many reactions are there for the pinned support. Yes. Roll number 12, Rahul. Rahul. Roll number 14, Prajwal. Tell me how many support reactions are there for the hinged support.
One.
yes, sir.
Hinged. I am asking for the hinged or pinned support. Roll number
Two,
3,
sir.
Sneha.
Two.
Snehal.
Yes, sir.
How many reactions are there for the pinned support?
Two reactions, one vertical and horizontal.
One is horizontal, one more is vertical. Good. See, when you are coming for the class, you have to study. No, I was repeating from the last class. Okay. Roll number 29, Brunal. How many reactions are there for the roller support? Yes, roll number 29, Brunal.
One, sir.
How many reactions are there for the roller support? Roller support में कितने reactions रहते हैं? Okay, tell me what are the different types of support?
Simple roller,
Yes.
pinned and fixed.
How many reactions are there for the roller support?
One, sir.
Which is that?
Perpendicular to plane of roller.
Perpendicular plane means is it vertical or a horizontal reaction? It is vertical
sir.
reaction. Okay, always for the roller it is vertical reaction. Okay, roll number 39, Sushant. How many reactions are there for the simple support?
Yes, sir.
Simple supports को कितना reactions रहते? Sushant, 39. Yes, please turn
Yes,
on
sir.
your video. Video turn करो.
Only one.
Only one. What is it? What is that one? Is it horizontal, vertical, or moment?
Normal to plane, sir, at rest.
Okay, it is vertical reaction. Okay. Next. Roll number 56, Praveen. Praveen, how many reactions are there for the fixed support? How many reactions are there for the fixed support? Praveen. Roll number 56. How many reactions? Okay. Roll number 42, Shivanjali.
Yes, sir.
How many reactions are there for the fixed support?
Three reactions.
3 reactions.
One
What
is
are those?
horizontal, vertical, and
Yes, horizontal, vertical, and
horizontal and moment.
yes, moment. Okay, you are not supposed to forget. Okay, see, this is it visible screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First one is this is simple
Yes, sir.
support. In this simple support, this is the sign convention, or you can also denote like this. Okay, wait, I'll write. Okay, so this is the beam. Okay, and this is how you have to show like this. So this can also written like this. So this is the beam. Okay, so this is the support like this. Okay, support like this also you should write it. Next, first one is simple support. Next, second one is roller support. So this is how you have to write the roller support. Okay, this is the beam. This is the roller support. Like this, you have to donate. Practically, pictorially, you can denote like this, or you can also denote like this. Okay, this is the roller support. So this is pinner support. Okay, so this is pinner support. So one triangular mark and this is support. Okay, this is support. So for this, how many reactions are there? That is only one vertical reaction. Okay, one vertical reaction. This is the vertical reaction. Okay, for this one, this is vertical reaction, and there is one more is horizontal reaction. Okay, for this one, for this there is a vertical reaction, there is a horizontal reaction. Again, there will be moment. Okay, there is a moment M, horizontal reaction H, vertical reaction V for the fixed support. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not supposed to forget. Okay, so throughout your life, you have to remember roller support is having only one vertical reaction. Pinner support is having two reactions. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Fixed support, there is three reactions. One is horizontal, one is vertical, and another one is moment. So this direction is I am assuming. Okay, if my answer is positive, then assumed direction is correct. If my answer is negative, then I have to reverse the direction. Okay, then this is simple support. So always simple support is only vertical reaction. Okay, this is vertical reaction for the simple support. Then we have studied about the different types of loads. What are the different types of loads? One is point load, okay, or it is also called as concentrated load. Second one is UDL. Third one is UVL. Last one is general load. Yes, can anybody tell me what is point load? What is point load? Load is
The
acting.
load which acts
Which acts.
the load which acts
Point
at
at
the point
beam.
of beam, then it is called as a point load.
Yes, the load which acts at only one point of the beam. Okay, only at one point of the beam is called as point load, or it is also called as concentrated load. Then what is distributed load?
If the intensity of the load remains same over a considerable length and beam, then the load is called as uniformly distributed.
Yes, can you repeat once again?
If the intensity of the load remains same over a considerable length and beam, then
Yes.
the load is called as distributed load.
Yes, if you consider this is the beam, okay, so there is a intensity of the load which is considered part of the beam or throughout the beam. It may be part of the beam or throughout the beam. Then this intensity is called as what? That is UDL. So it is same throughout the its length. Okay, it is not changing. Okay, you can denote like this, or also you can denote like this. Okay, if this is a beam, this is the beam, then you can show like this rectangular. Okay, this is loading. It is same intensity. Okay, so here it is there. Correct. It is throughout the beam. Okay, throughout the beam intensity is same. Then what is uniformly varying load? It is one end is
Varies,
0
sir.
and another end is maximum. It is varying. Okay, one point to one point it is not the same. It is changing from point to point. Okay, then it is called as UVL. Okay, so how to convert that UDL into point load? Equivalent point load.
Half into intensity or into length.
I am asking about the UDL, not a UVL.
Oh, उसका सर फिर intensity of UDL
Yes.
into length of UDL.
Intensity of UDL into length of UDL or span of UDL. Correct? That will give the equivalent point load. No, where it is acting? It acts. Where it is acting?
Center of UDL.
It acts at center of UDL. See, in this figure, the UDL is acting throughout like this. Okay. So UDL is acting throughout the beam. Okay. So when you convert the equivalent load, so this is the equivalent load, point load. I will take P. Where it is acting? It is exactly acting at the center of the beam. Okay, this is L by 2, this is L by 2. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now UD, there is a UVL. So how to convert this UVL into point load, equivalent point load? Equivalent point load.
Half into intensity UVL
Into length of
UVL.
UVL.
So half base is a height. Height कितना है रहता है इधर? This is intensity. Intensity is W into what is the length? Total its length is, if I take L, okay, L, that is W L by 2 is intensity of equivalent point load of UVL. And where it is acting? It acts. Where it acts? So if I consider this is equivalent, so it acts a 1/3 of distance. Just tell me, 1/3 of distance of span from the highest loading. And what about the from the lowest loading? Either से कितना रहता?
2/3.
It is 2/3. 2/3 times of loading. Is it clear, everyone? इसमें किस डाउट है क्या? किसी को डाउट है?
No, sir.
Everyone, others, please give reply. Is
No,
there
sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. This one we have seen. Okay, we have solved this problem. Okay, this problem we have solved in the last class.
सर आपने कल क्या लिया था सर?
Yes, yesterday I have taken.
वही सर, मैं absent था सर कल.
Okay, so this problem I have done, solved. Okay, we will solve this problem. Okay, everyone. Okay, take down the problem. All of you take down the problem. So write down a beam ABC. A beam ABC is hinged at A, is hinged at A, is hinged at A and placed on roller, placed on roller at B, full stop. The distance between two supports is 7 meter, and the overhang BC and the overhang BC is 3 meter, full stop. The beam carries a UDL. The beam carries a UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter, over the span AB, along with the point load of 15 kilonewton at C. Calculate support reactions. Okay, so this is the statement he has given. Sometimes he may give the figure, or sometimes he may not give. Okay, by looking at this, whatever statement he has given, okay, it is not necessary to give the beam diagram. Okay, so by looking at the description, you have to draw the beam. See, ABC is a beam. Okay, there is a beam which is A, B, C are points. Next is hinged at A. He has given there is a point which is hinged. It means hinged means this is a hinge. Okay, hinged and placed over the roller at B. Okay, there is a B, there is a roller. Okay, so you should take it is there is a hinge. Okay, you should take here it is there is a roller. Okay, as per the given statement. This distance between two support AB is 7 meter. So this is 7 meter is given. The overhang BC. So from B to C, there is a overhang. Overhang means that at the last point, there is no support. Overhang portion means what? At the last point of the beam, there is no support. Then that support, that portion is called as, this portion is overhang portion. Overhang portion. Okay. The overhang is BC. B to C is overhang. It is 3 meter. It is 3 meter. The beam carries UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter over a span of AB. See, from A to B, there is a UDL, which is 10 kilonewton per meter. Okay, along with the point load of 15 kilonewton. So along with this UDL, there is a point load which is of 15 kilonewton at a C point. At this C point, there is a 15 kilonewton. Calculate support reactions. Okay, so without this diagram also you can draw the figure. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
सर एक बार फिर से बताओ ना वो point load और
Yes,
load
yes.
roller.
I will take the same thing. Okay, I will draw the same thing. Okay, just see it. So I will take the whiteboard. So I will explain once again. So he has given there is a beam. Okay, so there is a beam. I don't know the length of beam. Okay, so he has given again there is a point. A point is hinged. He has given. Okay, correct. And there is a B point. The B point is roller support. He has given. Okay, he has given. This is B point. And there is a C point overhang. BC is overhang. He has given. This is overhang portion. Okay, there is a UDL from A to B. A to B, there is a UDL. Okay, UDL. Its intensity he has given 10 kilonewton per meter, and its length is given 7 meter. Okay, again there is a, along with this UDL, there is a point load at a C, at a overhanging portion C, and its magnitude is 10 kilonewton. Its magnitude is 10 kilonewton. Is it correct? No, it's 15 kilonewton. So this is 10 kilonewton per meter. It is 15 kilonewton. Okay, it is 15 kilonewton. This is 15 kilonewton. Okay, this length is how much? It is 3 meter is given. Only this much is given. A is hinged, B is roller, C is overhang. A to B, there is a full UDL. Okay, UDL 10 kilonewton per meter. At C, there is a point load, and its length is 3 meter. You have to find out it's a support reaction. Only this much is given. Is it clear? This diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
first, so in the exam also he will be given. You have to draw like this. Okay. Next, after drawing this one, you have to convert its support into its reactions. Okay. Now, at A point, which support is there?
Hinged.
Hinged. So I will convert that hinge into how to convert that hinge into support reaction. How many reactions will come?
3.
For hinge, how many reactions? 3 reactions.
Two reactions.
Two reactions. Okay, 2 reactions. So what are those? What are those?
Vertical and horizontal.
Vertical and horizontal. Okay, so one is vertical and one more is horizontal. Okay, so this is the beam. So one is horizontal I have taken, one more is vertical I have taken. So what I will do, I will convert this UDL into equivalent point load. So equivalent concentrated load or point load. Okay, I will convert. So how to convert this one? Intensity of load. Intensity of UDL into
Length.
length of UDL.
Length of UDL.
Okay, so what is the intensity of UDL? कितना है?
10.
That is 10 kilonewton per meter into what is the length of the UDL?
7.
That is 7. So what is the answer? 7 meter.
70.
That is 70 kilonewton.
Kilonewton.
Where this 70 kilonewton will act? It is center of the UDL.
Center of the UDL.
What is the center of the UDL? If A to B is 7 meter, then its center will be at this point. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, this point is as it is point load. It is as it is. Okay. I will write it is 10. This will be 70 kilonewton now. Correct. This will be 15 kilonewton now. Then let us support B. Which support it is? B.
Roller.
Roller है तो how many reactions will develop?
One reaction.
Only one reaction.
Only one.
Okay, this is only one reaction. Okay, so I will again write it is, this is A point, this is B point, this is C point. Is there any support at the C point?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why there is no support? Because it is overhanging.
Overhanging.
Overhanging में support नहीं रहते. Okay, so I will take this is D point. Okay, I will take this is D point. Then now can you tell me what is the distance between A to B? A to B, A to D?
10.
10. And what is the distance between 10? Huh? What is the distance between B to D? Yes, A to D, how much it is? Half of the UDL. That is 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And B to D, it is 3.5.
Again
3.5.
3.5.
And B to C, it is 3 meter.
3.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Yes. Is there any doubt to anybody? किसी को doubt है क्या इसमें?
No,
सर
sir.
फिगर में डी
हाँ।
पॉइंट किधर है?
हाँ?
फिगर में डी पॉइंट
वहाँ फिगर में नहीं दिया. For my understanding, I am taking D point.
यस
Okay,
सर
क्योंकि ये concentrated equivalent load है ना, that is acting at the center of the AB. Okay, इसके लिए मैंने A लिया. It is not necessary that you have to take. आप नहीं लिया तो भी ठीक है, चलेगा.
यस सर
Okay. Now, how to solve this one? Okay, so solution. Okay, solution will start here only. Okay, solution. Okay, what is this horizontal? I will take it is HA reaction, and this vertical I will take it is. Tell me. VA reaction. Okay, VA reaction. Then what are the equilibrium equations?
Sigma
Equilibrium
सिग्मा एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0
equations.
सिग्मा एफ वाई इज इक्वल टू 0 आणि सिग्मा
Equilibrium equations. Sigma fx is equal to 0. Sigma fy is equal to 0. And sigma m is equal to 0. M is equal to 0. Okay. So first consider which equation you will consider?
fx.
Sigma fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. What is sigma fx? The algebraic sum of all the forces which are moving in x direction or horizontal direction is equal to 0. Okay, looking at this beam diagram, what are the forces which are moving in horizontal direction?
1 HA.
HA. Okay. Is it moving right hand side or left hand side?
Right.
Right.
Plus HA or minus HA?
Plus.
I will write it as HA only. Okay, that is equal to, again, is there any other forces?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is HA is equal to 0. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next point is, so one point is sigma fx equal to okay. The second point, what is second equation?
सिग्मा एफ वाई इज इक्वल
Sigma
Fy
fy is equal to sigma fy is equal to 0. Okay, what is sigma fy is equal to 0? मतलब क्या है? Algebraic sum of all the forces which are moving in vertical direction is equal to 0. So here, if the force is moving in x direction, it is positive. If the positive x direction, if the force is moving in negative direction, it is negative. So when you are coming to the sigma fy equal to 0, if the force is moving upward direction, then
Upwards
it is
positive.
positive. If the force is moving in downward direction, it is
Negative.
negative. Okay, now tell me, what are the forces which are, okay, this is VB, correct?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
So what are the forces which are moving in vertical direction?
वी एंड वी
VA and VB.
VA plus VB.
VB.
Okay, what are the downward moving forces?
D and
70.
C.
So minus 70. Again, there is a 15. Minus 15. Is there any other forces?
No.
No,
It
sir.
is equal to 0. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. VA plus VB is equal to, so 70 plus 15, that is equal to 85.
85.
Okay, so in this equation there are two unknowns, VA and VB. Okay, so we have to generate one more equations. Okay, so I will take this is equation number 1. Okay, so I'll take it as equation number 1. So next, which equation I need to apply? Yes, which equation I need to apply?
Moment.
Yes,
Moment.
Moment about which point I need to apply? I will consider next point. So next equilibrium equation, moment summation of moment about a point is equal to 0. Okay, so which moment equation I need to apply? So where I need to apply the moment equal to 0? Tell me. At a point, at a hinge point, moment is equal to 0. At a roller point, moment is equal to 0. You can apply at this point or you can apply at this point. Okay, so I will apply moment at a is equal to 0. Moment at a is equal to 0. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now moment at this point equal to 0 apply kiya to HA and VA are passing through the A point. Is it producing any moment?
No.
No.
No,
No,
because
sir.
there is no perpendicular distance. Correct, Aina? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, coming to the 70 kilonewton. So this is moving downward force, and is the beam is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Okay.
Clockwise.
By the 70 kilonewton force, beam is rotating clockwise. And what is the distance, perpendicular distance between A and D?
3.5.
3.5 meter. So that is plus 70 kilonewton is force multiplied by distance, that is 3.5 kilonewton. Sorry, 3.5 meter. Next, coming to the next point, at the B point, there is a reaction VB. Correct? Is it moving in upward direction or downward direction?
Upward.
Upward. So upward, is it clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation?
Anti-clockwise.
Is it plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus VB into what is the distance between A to B?
7.
7 meter.
7 meters.
7 meter. So ho gaya. Is there any other forces?
No.
No, there is one more force, that is 15 kilonewton, which is moving downward. Is this 15 kilonewton, is it producing clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. That is plus. So force is 15 kilonewton. Then what is the distance from A to C?
10.
10 is equal to 10 meter. 10 meter. This is equal to 0. So from this 7 VB minus N, I will take into other side. That is 7 VB is equal to 70 into 3.5 plus 10 into 15. Yes, how much it is?
395.
395. Okay, so 5, 395, correct. Then 10, can you tell me what is VB? How much it is? 395 divided by 7.
56.42.
56.42.
That is kilonewton. Okay, so is it moving in upward direction or downward direction?
Upward.
Upward, because assumed direction is correct. I am getting it is positive answer. Positive means assumed direction is correct. Okay, it is assumed kilonewton. It is moving upward direction. It is correct. Okay, now how to find out of VB, VA? Substitute. Okay. Substitute this in equation number 1. Okay. Substitute. Substitute equation 1 or substitute VB. I will write it is VB. Substitute VB in equation 1. So substitute here VA as it is. Okay, plus what is the VB? 56.42. 56.42 is equal to 85. So calculate VA.
28.58.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are the answers for the given problem VA. Okay. So what is asked in the problem? We have to find out the VA horizontal reaction HA answers. Okay. HA is equal to 0. VA is equal to 28.58 kilonewton. Then HA VA.
Sir, VA का direction रहेगा ना sir?
Huh?
VA का direction.
VA direction, yes, that is also moving upward direction. Okay, assumed direction is upward direction. So VB is 56.42 kilonewton. Okay, that is moving Okay, both are in moving upward direction. Okay, is it clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Is there any doubt? किसको doubt है क्या इसमें?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No, sir.
yes, write down.
सर
Yes,
मोमेंट दोनों पॉइंट से निकलना पड़ता है क्या? जितने दिए
yes,
suppose-
I am expecting this question actually. So moment about A लिया तो हमको कौन सा आंसर आया? B भी आंसर आया. Okay, so if I take moment about B, कौन सा आंसर आया था? VA मिलते थे.
ए आएगा.
Okay,
हाँ,
so,
मतलब कोई सा भी करो भी आएगा क्या?
so you can take moment about A or moment about B. Okay, so I will take that also. Okay, moment about B करते हैं तभी VA आएगा. VA का आंसर इतना आने का है, करेक्ट है ना? आते के नहीं वो चेक करेंगे. Whether I will get same answer or not, I will check it. Okay, first complete this one.
एक ही पॉइंट से निकलना पड़ता है क्या?
Yes, yes, वो हो गए ना. So what are the unknown equations? HA unknown equation था, VA था और
VA
VB था.
था.
Okay, we got all the answers. Okay, so अभी देखो और एक point then that will become higher level problem. Okay, how to find out that one? अभी देखो हमारे पास कितना है equations? 3 equations है. So maximum हमारा problem में 3 ही unknown reactions आएगा. And so again there are 2 types of beams. One is determinate beam and one more is indeterminate beam. What is determinate beam? Matlab, if the number of unknown support reactions are equal to the number of equilibrium equations, then that is called as determinate beam. So this beam is determinate beam, determinate, because the iska equations kitna hai? There are 3 unknown equations. There are 3 equilibrium equations. So the unknown reactions we can find out with the help of equilibrium equations only. Then that beam is called as determinate beam. Okay, so throughout your engineering mechanics, okay, at this first year level, you are having only determinate beams. Means by using equilibrium equations, you can find out the support reactions. When you go for the higher level, okay, that is second year and third year of civil engineering, so you are having strength of material subject or structural analysis. There you will come to know indeterminate beams. Okay, so don't worry about those problems. Just you should know determinate beams. आपको a subject में determinate beams का है, means only by using equilibrium conditions you can determine support reactions. Okay, you can apply moment about A or moment about B. Okay, you will get the answers. Yes, any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, completed. All of you. So is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Equivalent
Yes,
point
sir.
rule. I will erase this one and I will apply moment about B. Okay, so whether I will get the same answer or not, I will check it. Okay, I told moment about A may be apply कर सकते, B may be apply कर सकते. Okay. See, so how to apply the moment about B point? So I will consider at this point. So which point? Moment about summation of moment about B is equal to 0. Okay, so or this is or. Okay, so it is not necessary you have to take this only. You can apply moment about A or moment about B, any one. So moment about B apply karte mind. Okay, this is a moment about B. Okay, moment about B. Now, so I will start from HA. So HA, is it producing any rotation?
No.
नहीं
No,
sir.
because the line of action of HA is passing through the point B.
Point.
Okay, there is no perpendicular distance, so it will not produce any moment. Okay, 0. Then this VA, is it producing rotation about B?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Okay, that is plus.
Plus.
How much is the force? VA. Okay, I
VA.
don't know. VA it is. It is VA. What is the distance between A to B point?
7.
7 meter. B to A to B is 7 meter. 7 meter. Next, after VA, which is the load? That
D
is-
point.
Yeah, D point. Okay, this is moving downward or upward?
Downward.
Downward. Now about B. Okay, concentrate all of you. About B, is the beam rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay, about B, it is rotating like this. Okay, so that is anti-clockwise. Is it plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. What is the force?
70.
70. What is the distance between B to D? B to D
3.5.
is equal to 3.5. Next, there is a VB. VB is passing through the B only. Is it producing any moment?
No.
No.
It will not produce. Next, again, there is a 15 kilonewton downward force. Now, about B, this 15 kilonewton, is it producing clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation?
Clockwise.
Clockwise rotation. Is it plus or minus?
Positive.
Positive. Okay. So that is 15 kilonewton into what is the distance between B to C?
3 meters.
3 meter is equal to 0. Is it understood this moment about B? Is it understood everyone?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now calculate VA. 7 times of VA is equal to, I will transfer this to the other side. That is 70 into 3.5. That is equal to 245 plus 245 minus 15 into 3, 45. Okay, that is equal to 200. 200 divided by 7. Let's calculate.
28.57.
28.57 kilo Newton. Okay, so this is the answer you are getting. Check it from the first equation and this equation. So what was the answer here?
Same.
28.58, 28.57. Okay, so you are getting difference in second digit. No, don't worry. So 28.5, 28. Both answers are same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is for your cross check. Okay, you can apply cross check. Okay, whether the getting whatever answer you are got, is it correct or not, you can cross check. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can apply moment about A or moment about B, but you will get same answers. If you want to take, you can take it. Okay, put the or put karke, so take down this one. You can also calculate like this one. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the next problem?
Yes.
Sabiko, understanding, are you getting all these problems? How to find out support reactions?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so this one we have solved. Next one is this one. Okay, all of you take down this problem. Find the support reactions at A and B. Support reactions at A and B. This is the beam he has given. Okay, how to find the support reaction? Yes. What I need to do first? I have to draw the beam, given beam, free body diagram. Okay, so this is the beam. Next, what are the support reactions. Yes. Can you tell me what are the support reactions? ATA. ATA. How many? Which type of support it is?
Pinned support.
Pinned support. So if it is pinned support, how many reactions?
Do
Okay, one is vertical and another one is horizontal.
horizontal.
And at the B, which point it is?
Roller.
That is
Roller आएगा.
vertical reaction. Roller support. That is vertical reaction. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I will take this is HEA and this is VA. Okay, I will take it as VB. Vertical is VB. Okay, so now I will consider this load, 30 kilonewton load. Okay, that is acting downward. So this is UDL or UVL or point load. Which type of it is? What is this one? It is
Uniformly
UDL.
distributed.
UDL. So I have to convert this UDL into point load. It is length kitna hai? 3 meter. So where it will act? It will act at the center of the UDL. Okay. So it is 30 kilonewton as it is 30 kilonewton. Okay. Next, this is 20 kilonewton. So can you tell me what is the concentrated equivalent load? 30 into 20 kilonewton per meter. What is the length of UDL? That is 3. 20 into 3 is 60 kilonewton.
60.
Is it clear, everyone? How I got the 60
Yes, sir.
kilonewton?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you can write the distances. Okay. What are the distances? What is the distance from year to year? Okay. Next, what is the
3.
distance from year to year? Again, what is the distance from year to year? And what is the distance from year to year? So all the distances are same. Okay. So year to year center is 1.5 meter.
1.5.
So this is 1.5 meter. This is 1.5 meter. This is also 1.5 meter. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this point is A point. This point is B point. Okay. So here I will take it is this is C point. This is D point. Okay. D point. So this is C point. This is D point. This is E point. Okay. Just I am taking namings. Okay. This is C D. This is E point. So again same conditions. What you have to apply? You have to take the equilibrium conditions first. So first, concentrated equivalent point load. Equivalent point load. Yes. What is equivalent point load? How to find out? Yes. How to find out? Intensity of UDL into span or length of UDL. Okay, what is the intensity of UDL? Intensity of UDL is 20 kilonewton per meter. 20 kilonewton per meter into what is span of UDL?
3 meter.
3 meter.
3 meter. So that is equal to 60 kilonewton. So that is acting at the center of the UDL. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what I need to find out? What is next point?
Equilibrium conditions.
Equilibrium conditions. Okay. So equilibrium conditions, you know. So consider sigma fx. Consider sigma fx is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0. What are the sigma fx? That is algebraic sum of all the forces moving in horizontal direction. What are the forces which are moving in horizontal direction?
HA.
HA. Okay. HA is equal to 0. Then sigma Fy is equal to 0. What are the vertical forces? VA. VA plus VB. Upward moving forces.
60 or 30.
What are the downward moving forces? That
20
is
and 30.
minus 60 minus 30 is equal to 0. So it means VA plus VB is equal to how much it is? 90. That is equation number 1. Okay. So next what I need to apply? Next.
Moment about
Momentum आएगा, sir.
Moment about support. Which support you will consider? Which support you will consider?
A.
Okay. You can consider apply moment about A point. Okay, A point. So summation of moment about A is equal to 0. Okay. So which more now apply moment about A point equal to 0. Okay. HA and VA is passing through the A point. Is it producing any moment?
No.
No.
No. Next 60 kilonewton is rotating beam in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. That is 60 into what is the distance between A to E?
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. Next is at D there is no force. At C there is a force. 30 kilonewton. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise plus 30 into distance between A to 30 kilonewton force. A to 30 kilonewton. How much it is?
4.5.
4.5. 4.5. That is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 4.5. Next, again there is a, at a B point. At B point, vertical reaction VB. Okay, VB. Is it producing clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. That is minus VB into distance is one, from A to B. It is 6 meter. 6 meter. 6. 6. Okay, that is equal to 0. Okay, now yes, calculate VB equal to 0. So 6 times of VB is equal to, so 60 into this is minus 6 times of VB. When you take into other side, it will become plus. Okay, so 6 VB is equal to 60 into 1.5 plus 30 into 4.5. Okay, so calculate this one. I want VB. Tell me VB.
37.5. 37.5.
37.5.
Yes.
Okay, this is the VB value 37.5. Is it getting, are you getting same answers, all of you?
Yes. Sir.
Okay, so now substitute VB in which equation? In equation 1. In equation 1. So
52.5.
सर दूसरा 52 आएगा ना सर? मतलब हमारे पास 90 है तो फिर 2/3 और 1/3 के साइड से अगर लेंगे
yes, VA plus VB is 37.5 is equal to 90. So VA is equal to 90 minus 37.5, that is equal to
52.5.
52.7.
52.5. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so answers, what is asked in the problem? He is asking what are the answers, support reactions. So answers, that is HA is equal to 0, VA is equal to 52.5 kilonewton. Is it moving upward or downward? It is moving upward
Upward,
direction.
sir.
Then
Upward.
VB is equal to 37.5 kilonewton. So it is moving downward direction. Sorry, upward direction.
सर upward जाएगा.
Upward. Okay, so that is moving in upward direction. Are you getting these problems? Simple problems.
Yes sir.
So till now I have taken only that is concentrated load, and I have taken UDL. Okay, concentrated and UDL. Still I have not considered that is triangular loading. Okay, UVL. So take down all of you. All of you take down this. Roll number 4. Ten. 16. 18. 38. Seven, 62, 64. Okay, absent numbers 4, 10, 16, 18, 38, 57, 62, 64. These are the absents.
सर
Yes,
क्वेश्चन पेपर में फिगर देते हैं क्या नहीं?
yes. कभी कभी देते कभी कभी नहीं देते. Okay, in the last problem उन्होंने description दिया था ना, so in that problem figure नहीं चाहिए थे. Without figure you have to draw the figure. Okay, sometimes
Okay, sir.
he will be given figure. 90% he will be given the problem. Okay, that is figure will be given. Okay, 10% he will not be given figure, but he will be given description. According to description, you have to draw the diagram. Okay,
Yes, sir.
description पे easy रहता है. अभी A beam description में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? There is a AB beam. A is hinged. B is roller.
Roller
Okay,
to pull.
a 30 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton per meter UDL is having 3 meter span. Is starting from A point. Again, 30 kilonewton concentrated load is acting at 1.5 meter from B. Okay, I say this. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
read the statement, you have to understand, and you have to draw the diagram. Okay, I say statement wise this.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
More than 95%, he will be given a diagram. Okay, yeah, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is there any doubt in finding the support reactions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So are you getting what is determinate beam and what is indeterminate beam? If the support reactions are finding with the help of equilibrium equations, then such a beam is called as determinate beam. If the support reactions are not possible to find out with the help of equilibrium conditions, then it is called as indeterminate beam. Okay, so आपको syllabus में just determinate beam है, that is simple supports. Okay, so indeterminate beam नहीं आपको, so you have to just find out the support reactions for the determinate structures with different kinds of loading. So till now I have taken only that is simple support and UDL. So in the next class we will take the triangular loading. Okay, that is UVL. Okay, we will take that one, we will solve that.
सर
हाँ.
मतलब हमारा आंसर पॉजिटिव ही आना चाहिए, मतलब वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमेगा और ऊपर ही जाएगा
Yes,
फोर्स का
yes,
रिएक्शन.
I will tell. A problem. I have considered VB. Okay, so I got answers. I got it is positive आ गया ना? Correct.
Yes.
So consider, think that this is answer is minus. So this is negative में आ गया. Okay, all of you. I got answer it is negative. It means assumed direction is wrong. The VB is acting downward. Okay, so what you have to do, you keep it as it is. All you have to keep it as it is. So either ये आंसर होने के बाद इधर लिखने का VB is equal to 37.5. Is it acting downward or upward? It is acting downward.
Downwards.
I said, are you getting? If your
Yes,
answer
sir.
is negative, then you have to write in the bracket downward. Here, HA कितना आ जाएगा? HA is equal to suppose 5 kilonewton. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. It means
Positive.
moving in positive direction. If it is, if HA is equal to that is minus 5 kilonewton आ गया. It means is it moving in positive direction or negative direction?
Negative.
Negative means you should write it is 5 kilonewton and you should write its direction. It is in this direction like this. Are you getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If your answer is negative, keep it as it is. Don't worry. But again, you have to write its direction. Is it moving upward or downward, or left hand side or right hand
Right
side?
hand side.
Okay. Just you have to write its direction. That's all. Either be क्या लिखने का? If your answer is negative, then you have to write it. Answer is negative. Or if it is HA is in this direction, you have to write it in this direction. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So remaining problem we will solve in the next class. See, same figure he has taken. 60 kilonewton आ गया. that is 3.5. Total is 3.5. Okay, so don't worry. So he has taken RAX and RAY. RAX means RA is a reaction in X direct and Y direct. I have taken VA and HA. Okay, means of course easy one. VA means vertical reaction. HA means horizontal reaction. Okay, this one we will take in the next class. See, this kind of problems will be there. Same, see, he supports, but there is inclined load, point load, and there is triangular load. So that one we will take in the next class. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व करने के लिए दीजिए ना होमवर्क.
So, हाँ, sir.
Yeah.
Homework सोडू का, sir.
Yes, I will give one homework. Yes, good. I will give one homework. Will you try it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will give 2 problems homework. You should try. Take it down. I will give directly beam. All of it, write down. Draw this figure. A, this is B. (2 meter). This is 2 meter. You can take UDL is 5 meter. Here it is 2 meter. Here it is 1 meter. 1 meter. Okay. Then you can take here. This is A point, hinge support, and there is a B point, which is roller. So this is B point. Again, you can consider here there is a UDL. That will be 7 meter. Consider it is point load. There are 2 point loads. Take it is 50 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton. So this UDL is 30 kilonewton per meter. This is 1 meter from this meter. This is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You take these 2 problems as a homework. So find the support reactions. Okay. Here in between the points, okay, I have not given any names. You can give names also. Okay, here A, B ho gaya. You can take this is C, D, E. Okay, you can take any names. I want only VA reaction, HA reaction. Okay, and I want VB reaction. Okay, we'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. Have you taken these problems?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.